How to add exact Google Maps location on Wix website. Once on your website, you're going to decide where you'd like to add the Google Maps. So I'm going to be creating a new section. After doing that, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and select Add Elements. Then I want you to tap on the search icon and you're going to type in Maps. And you can either choose to add a full width map, which would take up the entire section, or you can add a smaller version. Let's say we were to select the smaller version. So we'll tap right there and you can see different options. And we're going to be selecting this one. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Manage Locations. And you're going to input your location right here, or the address that you would like to redirect persons to. So for example's sake, let me type in an address real quick. After you have added the address, you can also change the title. So I could tap here and I could change the title. Then once you're finished, if we were to close out and select preview in the top right hand corner, once someone visits this website and tap on directions, you can see right there the exact location. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.